Anshu, and we are from the VR Tech Zippers. We are into trims and in zipper as well. So please come, I'll show you my collection. As you can see here, so this is a metal trim section. So you can see the stoppers, rings, which is available in circular and rectangular as well. The metal plates, belt hooks, the premium buttons, studs, sparkle, these digital prints. Recently we have innovated the 2-hole and 4-hole buttons. Both the things, everything you can find in zinc quality as well as in brass quality as well. And we are doing the high shine plates and the buttons. And here you can see 2-hole, 4-hole and different high shine finishes. Some collection for ladies wear, specially designed for ladies wear. And if I come forward, then you can see here the zipper. We do fully customization regarding the zipper, puller, teeth, button, everything which you want to customize. We are fully customized everything. So now I'll show you my some other zipper collections and the buttons. Please come with me. Here I'm showing you some of my catalog. So this is for something we developed for the RL and Polo. So you can see the sporty collection zipper. So these all are the PU coated zippers. Some of them have some reflective tapes which will reflect in the light. And these are some of the collections. These are the metallic range which you can use for the outerwear kids and ladies as well. The complete color range here I am showing to you. Sorry, this side. So whatever query you have regarding the zippers, these are the sporty zippers. These somewhat we customize here on our loom. So we design whatever design you want to match with your cell. So we can design the tape accordingly. Here are the different kind of sliders. So we have around 3,000 of slider inventory with us. So if you want to customize, we can do customization. If you want some readily available, so we can show you that as well. According to kids, ladies, men's or the bags. These are some Vislon plastic zippers. Here you can see the different kind of tips we are offering. There are some pattern textured finishes. Some of the metallics we can say that it is somewhat similar to the metal zipper. This is just a glimpse you can see here. But if you will go to our website, so this is our website I'm showing here, www.texfasteners.com. So this is our website and you can find a wide range of our zippers, buttons, metal trims, buckles, adjuster, everything you can find here, and you can communicate with us on this.
There is a quantity. How many quantity you will order the manufacturer?
Okay, so the MOQ for the zipper we have the 800 pieces MOQ, and regarding the metal trims we have
minimum
MOQ,
quantity
800 pieces will be the MOQ for the zippers, and 10 gross will be the MOQ for metal trims. You can come connect us on this email ID and the number. Website also is there so that you can have a look on our range. We are Okotex Reach ISO certified zipper, and we are very much into the sustainability trims. So we are offering you sustainable zipper as well as sustainable buttons.
Where is your office?
We are here in Sector 37 Gurgaon, Khansa.
You deal in
We have 3 factories actually, one in India and 2 factories in Bangladesh, one for button, one for zippers, and 1 factory in Vietnam. So we are globally located and our sales office is in every state. So we are in South also, we are in Gujarat as well, we are in Jaipur, everywhere we have our sales office. But our head office in Gurgaon, Sector 37.
Thank you.